Yo, what's good? We in a new year, first video of the year. How's everybody doing? It's your boy Marco. If you've never been to this channel, I do sneaker videos, and we're doing what today? A sneaker video. We are in the second week of January, and Jordan Brand is not playing games with us with this release that is coming out that I'm about to show you guys. I have a pair in my hand right now, which is nice, not literally, but it's in this room. This year I'm going to be doing a lot of sneaker related content, so before we get into this specific shoe, let's please lock in, comment, leave a like, and subscribe to my channel. Let's get into it. Ladies and gentlemen, today we have the Air Jordan 4 Crimson Red in hand, and we are showing this bad boy off, and my God, I'm actually really liking this sneaker. If you know anything about Jordan sneakers and the releases that are currently going on or that have passed, this specific shoe has been hyped like crazy, at least in my opinion, for the past 6 months. I was very skeptical on getting this release, not because of the colorway, I love this colorway, but more so the quality that they put on Air Jordan 4 sometimes, especially with the nubuck or the suede. The Lightning 4, it was debatable. Wasn't really all that great of quality compared to the original that came out years ago. But this one, I'll say the nubuck is very nice quality, and I'm gonna tell you why I think that. As I was getting some cinematic shots of the shoe, I actually dropped it in mud, and surprisingly, once I put the cleaner on it, the nubuck actually remained the exact same. I didn't see like a loss of quality after being clean for the first time, because you know Jordan Brand, their materials can be questionable. Sometimes they're not built to last. Sometimes you get them dirty, it's like over. But this one did indeed come with some type of quality. I literally was going to pass on this pair. I told myself I do not need another Air Jordan 4 and I need to get other shoes, but oh my God. While we're here, we might as well ask this question. Is this an early shoe of the year candidate? I love the colorway. It's a very clean colorway. The execution on it was really nice, but in my firm, honest opinion, like, this shoe is going to get hyped once the mass public gets it all in their hand, once all the release dates and the restocks are done. But I think we just need to probably stay tuned and see how it ends up holding up over time. If you want these shoes, you better make sure your sneaker notifications are on, and also too, do not sleep on Dick's Sporting Goods. They always have shoes online, and sometimes they do first come first serve, so do not sleep. Currently looking at StockX right now, pretty much almost every size from about size 7 in men's all the way up to a size 14. The resale is currently, before fees and taxes, below $400. I'm almost more than sure that if you don't get a pair Saturday and you don't want to pay resale, you're going to be able to get a pair on a restock later within the month. So don't jump and pull the trigger if you aren't confident on paying resale. It's okay. Don't let these internet people tell you that you need to pay resale. You don't have to if you don't want to. Now, it's now that time I throw these on my feet and show you what they look like when you're wearing them. Wear your shoes. Let's go.
Ballin', shawty know I'm ballin'. Money it be callin', so I'm finna go all in. Ballin', shawty know I'm ballin'. Money it be callin', so I'm finna go all in. Ballin', shawty know I'm ballin'. Money it be callin', so I'm finna go all in. Ballin', shawty know I'm ballin'. Money it be callin', so I'm finna go all in. I'm finna go all in. Yo, shorty, she be callin'. This money, I'ma get it, so I'm never ever fallin'. Niggas love to talk shit, but they don't really want it. I'm switching with my bros. She love me cause my glow. I'm counting this money, I'm counting these bands. Your girl wanna fuck me, just me and my gang. When I pull up, baby, know that I switch. When I take shots, these stacks never miss. I know a few niggas that's talking that shit. I know a few niggas that say that they sick, but when it comes down, they ain't really about shit. Yeah, they ain't really about shit. I'm ballin'. Ring, ring, yeah, this money be calling. Ride around and I'm running a check. Diamonds on me, yeah, they shine up my neck, yeah. They shine up my neck. Chasing money, I be getting them bands. I want this money, I'm in love with the cash, yeah. I'm in love with them bands. No, I'm never stopping, I don't quit. Ever since I got the check, I want money coming in. Yeah, we ballin' saucing different. My niggas tryna win. Counting plastic like it's nothing.